How to only see friends post on Instagram in chronological order. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. With that, you will land to the home page. After you land to the home page, now at the top left corner, you can find this option of Instagram. Just click on that drop down. You will get two options, following and favorites. Go ahead and click on the option of following. With that, you will be good to go. Now you're gonna see the post of your friends only. Likewise, it will be in the chronological order. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can only see friends post on Instagram in chronological order. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.